Alright, so we're out here for another test of how waterproof is your ammo. I got a 9 different 12 gauges here. We're going to go through, we got Federal Game Load, Herter's Game Load, Fiocchi Double-Aught Buck, Remington Game, S&B Buck, Federal Heavy Field, Federal Top Gun, Remington Turkey, and 8 pellet Buck reloads that I did myself and I casted myself. So I'm going to run them through a single shot and go from there. We are going to start out with the Herter's, just a Herter's Game Load. No problems there. Onto the Federal Heavy Field. All right, on to Federal Top Gun. On to Federal Game. All right, Remington Game. Oh, I flinched like a mother. All right, so nothing there. I'm going to give it one more go. Oh, nothing. Pull that off to the side. Onto my reloads. Right, that one seemed to stick. All right, on to the Fiocchis. Nothing. Give it another go. There we go. Oh, make sure. Yep, that is Fiocchi. Onto the Cellar and Below. Onto my least favorite load to shoot out of this shotgun, but a Remington 3-inch 1 7/8 ounce number 4 turkey load. God, I hate shooting these things out of this shotgun. Oh, Jesus. All right, and it seems like we had no issues there except for one Remington Game Load. And mind you, these were also soaked in water for a day and a half, and then, well, shot. So, thanks again for watching.